Hi everyone and welcome back to Dev Portal. In the second lecture of our series on control flow statements in Java, we will cover switch statements. It is used to handle multiple conditions in the code. Let's get started. The switch statement is a more readable way to execute one or many code blocks based on the value of the variable. Let me show you how we can implement switch case in Java. Suppose I have created one variable int day is equal to 3. And to use switch case, first I need to write switch, under brackets I need to provide my value, and then I need to create cases here. Multiple cases we can create. Suppose I have written case 1. Inside this case 1 I have written sysout Monday. So it means if case 1 is satisfied, it will print Monday. Then I will add break statement here. Break statement in Java is used to terminate the control of that particular execution of our program. So if my case 1 got executed, after that it will terminate the flow and it will come out from the switch case itself. In the same way I will add some more cases, case 2, then again sysout, and it will be Tuesday. Same way I will add break statement here as well, and then case 3, sysout Wednesday, and break. So now let me save this program and run for you. Remember, day I have given value as 3. So it means first it will check case 1, the value of day is equal to 1. No, it is not, so it will not execute case 1. Then it will go to case 2. Again it will check value of day is equal to 2. No, it is not. Then it will go to case 3. This condition will become true and it will print in the console Wednesday. Here you go. One more thing we can add. There is a default case that we can add in our switch statement. What is default? Suppose none of the cases condition got satisfied, then it will execute this line of statement, default case. And let me change the value of day to 0. So now the day is storing 0 value, so none of the case got satisfied, so it will execute default case. One more thing you need to remember, suppose if I have given day equal to 2, then it will print Tuesday in the console. But suppose if I forgot to add break statement in my cases, then what will happen? It will fall through to the entire switch case. It means if case 2's condition is satisfied, it will execute case 2, then it will go to case 3 and it will execute that statement as well. After that it will check break is there or not. So if I remove break statement from case 2 and 3, what will happen? First it will print Tuesday, then it will print Wednesday, then it will print default case. There you go. You can see in the console it is printing all the 3 cases. So this is one thing you need to remember. Suppose if you want your cases to be executed only on some particular condition, then you need to add break statement. And if you want that, okay, if case 2 is getting executed, after that you want case 3 also to be executed but not the default case, then what you need to write? You need to write break statement after in case 3. So now what it will happen? It will execute Tuesday, that statement system.out.println, it will print Tuesday, then it will print Wednesday. So everything depends on the business logic that you want to implement in your program. So to summarize, the switch statements help us to manage multiple conditions in a clear and more organized way compared to multiple if and else statement. I hope you found this explanation helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more programming tutorials. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.